Hello, in this video I will give you a complete tutorial of the screen recording software for Mac, Screen Studio. You'll see, you really won't be disappointed, so don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. I really searched everywhere and tested dozens of screen recorder software. And frankly, the one that wins hands down, which is the best of all, is Screen Studio. The video you are watching was itself recorded with Screen Studio, so you will be able to see all the features that I am presenting to you. This is the software that I personally use to make all my videos on my YouTube channel to record both the screen of my MacBook but also the screen of my iPhone and my iPad. It is an all-in-one software that allows you to record videos in an ultra-high quality way with superb animations automatically generated. There are automatic zooms when you click with your mouse to show where you are clicking. You can film your iPhone screen while keeping your webcam camera activated so you can show your reactions when you show what you're doing on your iPhone or iPad. It's super practical. You can choose super beautiful designs, resize the video as you want, export it in high quality, in 4K. It really does everything. And the best part is that it's already a software that you can test for free to see if you like it. As you can see here, there is the free trial of Screen Studio directly on the site. You can find the Screen Studio link directly under this video, either in the description bar or in the link pinned in the comments. Just click on the link, you will be automatically redirected to the Screen Studio website where you can start your free trial by clicking here. And then if you're convinced, what's great about Screen Studio is that it's a one-time purchase. For only $89 you get all the software included with updates. I'm going to show you everything you can do with this software. But the really cool thing is that it's not a recurring subscription where you have to pay every month for the software. There, really, you don't bother. In a single purchase, you have all the features included. And it's really cool. And frankly, I am more than satisfied. So that's why I wanted to share all this with you on video. Your Screen Studio is a screen recording software that installs on your Mac. Like this, you can see the icon here. You will therefore be able to select whether you want to record either the entire screen, a single window of your browser, or a specific region of your screen by selecting custom dimensions as you wish. And you can even, as I also told you, record your iPhone screen if you connect it with a lightning cable directly to your Mac, or that of your iPad. Then you can choose whether or not to enable the camera right here. You can choose either the built-in camera of your Mac or your iPhone directly if you place it in webcam mode above your Mac, for example with a tripod, or directly a camera that you would have purchased, which you would have connected to your Mac. And then the same for the microphone. You can choose either the one integrated into the Mac or directly a microphone that you will have connected to your Mac. And there's even an automatic noise reduction feature to improve the sound quality of your recording with your microphone. So that's also very practical, so you don't have to bother with video editing to further improve your audio. And then you can also record the sound from your MacBook at the same time. So the sound of your Mac's applications, or the little clicks, etc., all of this will be recorded. So this is also very practical, and it is not necessarily very easy to do it without the Screen Studio application. In addition to all this, you have other features that you can find in the settings of the Screen Studio application. One that is particularly interesting is being able to hide the icons on your Mac desktop. This way, when you go to record your screen, people won't see all the folders or files you might have on your desktop. It will be really clean and will give a very qualitative aspect to the recording of your screen. Especially if you want to make tutorials or show things on your screen, it can be really interesting. Another feature that is very interesting is the speaker notes. In fact, it's like a prompter that you can use in the middle of a video that only you will be able to see when you record your Mac screen. So once you have finished your video, we will no longer see this little window that will appear. It will just serve as a prompter if you ever have a video script to be able to remember exactly what you wanted to say in the video, if you want to take a few notes, and so you will be able to keep eye contact with your screen or the camera without having to read your notes each time, and then go down like that to the bottom of the video. So that too is very practical, and I always use it. So that was the part about recording your screen. But you'll see, the best is yet to come. Now we move on to the Screen Studio editor. So once you have recorded your screen, you will then be able to adjust everything you want directly in the Screen Studio application. So you don't have to bother with an editing app, etc. again. So first thing, you will be able to directly resize the screen as you wish. For example, if you want to hide the top of the screen because you find it not very stylish, you can do it directly. You can also simply choose a custom ratio. There are typically vertical ratios, as you can see here. If you ever want to pupilize, for example, Reels or TikTok, it is very practical. Then you will be able to choose superb wallpapers which can be added to have the right ratio for your video. So you will be able to put them in the background, therefore directly integrated into the video. So you can see it's very beautiful with nice color gradients or Apple wallpapers. There really is something for everyone. And you will also be able to choose to what extent you want to show the size of your screen, if you want it to take up the whole screen or not. And then you will also be able to add, for example, roundings on the capture of your screen to give a slightly more qualitative look. Same for the camera, you can choose whether or not to activate it. You can choose its location directly where you want it to appear. And then the same, you can choose whether you want it to be rounder or not directly in the Screen Studio software. Then, as I said, there are these automatic zooms that will be done with Screen Studio. Every time you go to click somewhere, as you can see here on the screen, Screen Studio will zoom in. It will both show where you are clicking, but it will also rezoom your camera so it doesn't hide what you are showing. So it's really all practical. And as you can see, it's done completely automatically. You don't need to bother afterwards with editing the video, making the animation, etc. And that really is a huge time saver. You can also choose the size of your mouse if you want to put it much more forward to show where you are clicking. Also very useful for video tutorials. Afterwards, you will also be able to generate automatic subtitles, which will be automatically synchronized with your lips, which will appear on the video or not. Your choice. And then, as I said, the audio function, you will be able to improve it directly in Screen Studio, so we will not hear the small background noises or the echo. It will be a professional sound quality, and then you can see here the timeline of your recording, and if, for example, you are not satisfied with a part of the video, well, you can cut it and then simply delete it, so you can directly edit your video in Screen Studio. Like that, after all you have to do is export it, as you can see here at the top, right? And then there you can choose the quality you want. It goes up to 4K. You can also choose the refresh rate, the frame rate, so up to 60 FPS with videos that will therefore be very fluid and very beautiful. Once you are okay, you just have to export your video. It will be ready in no time, and then you will directly have a video that will be ready to be published. You don't have to bother with editing the video afterwards, so that's really convenient and will save a lot of time. So you see that Stream Studio is really an ultra-complete software. I honestly use this software more than anything else for all my Mac, iPhone and iPad recordings. As a reminder, you have the link directly under the video to access the site, and then you can do a trial period to be able to test the application directly. And then if you are convinced, you can simply buy it and start recording all the videos you want unlimited. Ask me all your questions in the comments. It was Gummy. Ciao!